Hello, my name is Elizabeth Williams, and my globalization discussion today is from an article from ABC News, and it's entitled, Bringing America Back, Are Infrastructure Jobs Being Shipped to China? It discusses America's crumbling infrastructure with President Obama highlighting construction jobs as part of his jobs plan. There were several major bridges that needed to be rebuilt that were mentioned in this article. One was the Brent Spence Bridge in Ohio, the Alexander Hamilton Bridge in New York, which is a $400 million renovation project. The Bay Bridge connecting San Francisco and Oakland in California, which is a $7.2 billion project. In Alaska, there is a proposal for a $190 million bridge project. Unfortunately, most of the work is going to Chinese government. How is this going to put Americans back to work? In New York, the project is being overseen by Chinese Construction America, which is a subsidiary of the Chinese State Construction Engineering Corporation. It will use mostly U.S. labor, but many of the skill jobs, such as engineering and design, are Chinese, and the profits will go overseas. In Alaska, the bridge would largely be fabricated overseas. And in the state of California, rejected federal funding for the bridge in order to go with a Chinese company that offered a lower bid. This cost Americans almost 3,000 jobs. This job could have given thousands of Californians jobs, but also spending would have been reinvested in the economy. I really think that America needs to invest in itself right now in order to get America back on track. We may have to pay a little more, but the end result would be worth it. And right now the wages in China are going up. So you're really not going to get the best price there any longer. So I really think that we need to invest Americans in jobs instead of other governments. There's a lot of white-collar jobs that are going overseas, like computer programming, accounting, software engineers. I know I had a computer issue one time, and I believe it was Dell, that I had to call, and I know that I was talking to someone overseas. I just don't understand how that's going to help Americans. I understand that the trade with other countries is very important, but I feel like we've just moved all of our business. Some manufacturing plants have moved the whole plant overseas. So all the profit and the money is going to that government. And I just think that myself, I would rather buy American-made products and pay a little bit more and have better quality and know that we are investing in our country instead of giving all the profits to another country. And right now, with our economy, we really need to put Americans back to work. And we need to invest in some of the things like welding. And I know this article mentions that there was a shortage of welders is why they chose Chinese workers. And so these type of things, we really need to make sure that we do adequate training so that Americans can go back to work. So I look forward to your feedback on this discussion. Thank you.